Good afternoon, and welcome to our masterclass of today. Today, we'll be looking at integrated efficiency solutions, and we will look at key elements that uh, be used for managing agile business processes. So, we shall be looking at uh, all of some key elements that have to do with the management of agile business projects. We'll go into looking at how operational efficiency can be well managed by integrating agile and lean methodologies. And it's aimed at uncovering real robust strategies that help in streamlining and elevating operational processes. So we're going to look at some tools and actionable strategies that can be used to optimize business processes and really catalyze operational improvements across various functions within your organization. So that's what we are going to look at today. This masterclass today is really, like with all our masterclasses already, we are really looking at targeting operational managers, business analysts, process engineers, and any professional who is committed to the journey of continuous improvement and operational excellence. So that's what we are going to look at today. And before I continue, I want to make sure that everything is working well. If you are not getting any sound, let me know in the chat box. And if you are not seeing the presentation as well, let me know. So while I get that ready, I'll check all the sounds and to ensure that everything else that we have is going well. Let me see. Yeah. All right. There we go. So we're going to look at a couple of elements here, some of the core concepts that have to do with, let me go here. We're going to look at some of the core concepts of operational excellence. We're going to look at two really key elements, peak efficiency and effectiveness. What does this imply? Operational excellence is about achieving peak efficiency and effectiveness in business processes. So it actually involves kind of like a combination, a blend of methodologies, tools, and mindset. Mindset shifts, as in actual fact, that are aimed at optimizing every facet of the business process or of business operations. And this is done because the focus, this strategic focus, really ensures that your organization not only meets but actually exceeds its operational goals and customer expectations. So this is one of the key areas that operational excellence using the agile framework really makes it work. So it focuses our exploration of operational excellence in this case will focus on four key elements that we have: continuous improvement, waste reduction, value stream mapping, and employee empowerment. What do all of this mean? Continuous improvement, constantly seeking ways to improve processes and reduce inefficiencies in the business process. The second, which is waste reduction, which is where lean methodology and framework really comes in. Waste reduction is identifying and eliminating known value added activities and processes. So it's kind of really create a lean process, take out all the waste. Value stream mapping. It is really the analysis of the flow of materials and information to streamline various processes within the organization. Employee empowerment. This key element here looks at engaging employees in order to contribute their ideas and take initiatives in improvements, activities, and processes. And of course, this really ensures and fosters a culture that really supports innovation and responsiveness in the business processes. So in the handbook, we have these key elements really well outlined in more detail, as well as questions and answers. In the handbook, we have about 10 key questions that we look at in this area, as well as exercises and additional resources that you definitely will find useful. So in this section, we are looking at the synergy between Agile and Lean. So basically, how do we use both in order to create a far superior efficiency process? So harnessing Agile and Lean for superior efficiency is what we are looking at. So three key elements that we look at here. We look at Agile adaptability. What does that mean? Agile methodologies are really renowned for adaptability and responsiveness, which are crucial in today's fast-paced marketplace and business environment. So the iterative approach of Agile really allows organizations to react very quickly to changes in customer needs and market conditions by really fostering a culture of rapid feedback and continuous iteration. And so this is a very crucial element of it. The second, of course, is that we're looking at process management, which is part of Agile adaptability. The impact on process management means that when we implement Agile processes, they enhance the process management by breaking down projects into manageable sprints, and which really allow teams to focus on delivering value incrementally and systematically. And of course, this process not only speeds up the delivery process, but also ensures that the output actually aligns with the customer expectations. So boosting customer satisfaction. So this is also an element of Agile adaptability, the extent to which it allows Agile adaptability in that sense. The second part is lean efficiency. Principles of waste reduction, as I mentioned earlier. Lean principles are centered around creating more value for customers, with fewer resource by actually systematically reducing waste in all form. And so we look at waste in, well, overproduction, unnecessary transportation, excess inventory, defects, overprocessing, and unused talents, which is these are key elements within lean, within the lean process, aimed at maximizing value. So there are different elements here that we can look at. You can check detail in the handbook as well. If you don't have the handbook, you can request the handbook. The second part of this is leveraging technology for enhanced efficiency. Technology integration in operational processes is what this section looks at. So digital transformation is not just about adopting new technologies, but about changing how we conduct business to enhance efficiency and value creation. So the idea is that this transformation really encompasses the integration of digital technology into all areas of the business, fundamentally changing how we operate and do business today. So it is a very crucial area. AI and machine learning is also a very important part of this as well. Um, Artificial intelligence is really transforming the way the business landscape in different ways by really enabling companies to analyze vast amounts of data very quickly and with precision. So AI driven analytics is crucial in this area. So that definitely is an area to look at. We have a lot of details in the handbook. You can change that out as well. We also have case studies which you can check in the handbook as well, and exercises as well for application, which you can that would really improve the way that you do things. We have toolkits that are available as well in this particular masterclass. Contact us for the full slide deck and everything else that you need to really enhance your operational excellence when we talk about agile excellence. So let us know. Send us a quick email if you want to request the handbook and the workbook. We have them all available. Send us an email at coach@agility startup to send the details on this masterclass that we all have available. Thanks for tuning in today. I will see you next Thursday at the same time. Have a good day.